Hello, I'm Pratibha Singhal. I'm a final year student of University Geomedi. For me, this has been an amazing journey. Firstly, because the country is beautiful, and secondly, our wonderful university, which has so much to offer. For me, the most I like about this university is their way of teaching, that is by technology. They have simulation clinics where we are provided with everything we need. Then we also have anatomy labs where all the structures are available for our practices. Along with this, we have well-equipped examination centers. We have OSCE examinations which are conducted in the simulation labs along with these examination centers. Our university also have many tie-ups with the German clinics which would open many opportunities for us in the future. We also have tie-up with the German clinic in Tbilisi where we can have all the practical knowledge, and we can also assist the doctors in doing some operations as well. Most importantly, in India we have a revised curriculum where we have to merge the preclinical and the clinical subjects, and our university is exactly following the same curriculum, so which is going to help us in able to crack the next exam in India. So I hope you all come and join Geomedi. I would highly recommend it. Thank you.